Leg pain at night might sound like a minor inconvenience, but what if I told you that it could be a sign of something much bigger? And what if the solution is not a painkiller, not a massage, not even a doctor visit, but something as simple as eating a banana before bed? While most people associate bananas with boosting energy in the morning, what many don't know is that this fruit also helps stabilize the body as functions at night. A calm body leads to calm muscles. They help the body recover overnight by providing gentle nourishment that aids in muscle repair and soft tissue relaxation. Instead of waking up with sore, aching legs that feel like you ran a marathon in your sleep, imagine waking up with limbs that feel lighter, fresher, and pain-free. If your legs tend to twitch or cramp during sleep, it might be your body's way of signaling that something is missing. Working, physically demanding jobs, or being on their feet all day. You don't need to buy exotic health foods or expensive pills. Bananas are available everywhere, all year round, and are one of the most affordable ways to improve your health naturally. Just one fruit. Many people with leg pain also struggle with restlessness and hunger late at night. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks or salty chips, grabbing a banana satisfies the appetite, calms the nerves, and supports muscle health. All in one go. One time a day, especially before bed, can make a huge difference. If your legs ache every night after work, if you suffer from leg pain at night, commit to eating a banana every evening for at least 1 week. Keep track of how you sleep, how often you wake up from cramps, and how your legs feel in the morning. Chances are, you'll start to notice less tension, fewer spasms, and smoother nights. A well-rested body is less likely to experience muscle spasms. Chronic leg pain disrupts sleep, and poor sleep leads to irritability, low energy, and reduced focus during the day. A banana might seem like a small act, but it can have a domino effect. Better sleep means better mood, more energy, and less frustration. And the solution might be sitting right on your kitchen counter. Eating a banana at night is not just an old wives' tale. It is a simple, science-backed practice that can change your nights and your mornings. From soothing sore muscles to improving sleep quality and restoring hydration, bananas are a natural remedy with surprising power. So the next time your legs ache at night, or you feel that dreaded cramp coming on, don't just rub it or stretch it. Reach for a banana. Your body will thank you. Imagine no longer dreading bedtime because of the fear of waking up in pain. That peace of mind is powerful. Swear by bananas as part of their recovery diet. Post-workout or post-training, a banana helps muscles settle down, reduces soreness, and prevents overnight leg cramps. If it works for them, imagine what it can do for someone who just wants to stop waking up in pain. And banana eaters often report sleeping longer and deeper. That's because bananas have natural compounds that help your brain wind down. So not only are you reducing leg pain, but you're also setting yourself up for a more restorative sleep cycle. The kind of rest your muscles need to stay healthy and pain-free, and no amount of stretching or elevating your feet seems to help. Try incorporating bananas into your evening routine. You might be surprised by how quickly your body responds. That missing link could very well be found in a banana. Leg pain at night can often be more than just discomfort. It can become a source of daily anxiety. What starts as mild aching in the calves can quickly escalate into sharp pain or numbing sensations that interrupt sleep and ruin the next day's energy. Bananas offer a simple, non-medicated solution that works naturally with your body's rhythm. They help improve circulation, relax tension, and support overnight healing, all while being incredibly easy to digest. Yes, you heard that right. Bananas, the humble, everyday fruit we often overlook, could be the secret remedy for those mysterious nighttime leg cramps that keep you tossing and turning. In fact, studies have shown that people who suffer from nighttime muscle spasms often lack certain nutrients, and the right fruit can sometimes be more powerful than the most expensive supplements. Now, imagine the frustration of waking up in the middle of the night with sharp pain shooting through your calves or thighs. And imagine that just one banana a night could put an end to that misery. This might sound too simple to be true, but the benefits of bananas are backed by a long list of success stories from people around the world. For starters, bananas are known for their ability to soothe muscle soreness and relax the body naturally. If you suffer from restless leg syndrome, cramping calves, or sudden sharp muscle contractions at night, eating a banana in the evening could drastically reduce the frequency and intensity of these episodes. And a dose in tea, take weeks to see the result. Many people report noticeable improvements in just a few days. Bananas are also an excellent source of natural energy regulation. One of the most overlooked benefits of bananas is how they support better hydration at a cellular level. Dehydration is a hidden cause of nighttime leg pain, especially during the summer or in people who sweat excessively. Bananas help restore fluid balance without the need for sugary sports drinks or artificial supplements. Simply eating one banana before going to bed might be enough to keep your legs calm and your sleep uninterrupted. And if you're someone who often wakes up feeling groggy or stiff, the benefits of bananas go even further. Bananas are also a great choice for people who suffer from chronic leg pain due to standing for long hours, for older adults or people with circulation issues, And here's another shocker. Bananas don't just help with pain. They actually promote better quality sleep, even athletes who push their bodies to the limit. It's also worth noting that bananas are incredibly budget-friendly and accessible. But remember, consistency is key. Let's also talk about mood and emotional well-being. And here's one more unexpected benefit. Bananas can help reduce nighttime hunger cravings. In summary, leg pain at night might seem like a small issue, but it has a big impact on your overall health and quality of life.